started today with the best intentions of doing a bit of an update vlog, and then got to my brother's house to work on the car and stuff and just sort of make a little bit of a video as I went through the day, but didn't pan out that way as normal. So I'll just make a little oh, we got that, a little video. Just I haven't actually seen the S13 properly. I've just went and opened the gates and it's still under the car cover. Haven't seen it since the start of all this COVID stuff, so I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna unload it, start it up, unload it. Oh fuck, the bin's in the way there. And then turn it around and put it in the shed. And that's probably going to be this video, and I'm going to talk some shit as we go. Just got to get around these bins. So fuck, let's go have a look. Boys, it's like a what do you call it, unboxing video, but for a car that you drove at an event, put on a trailer and then just left in a different state. Oh, I need to undo the clip, I think. Look at the wheels damaged. Oh, look at that. Front bar in one piece. Bonnet, not so much. I'll get this car cover off. Bit of pokey wang. How's it looking underneath? Bold. Like me. Ugh. This side's looking alright. Oh man. So copped its head on this tail light, and this rear got re-bent a bit. It's actually not too bad. This side copped a fair bit more of a hit, if you can see that. Right, I'm gonna get off the trail and then we'll have a proper look. Sweet. Let's hope it rolls. I'm back. I just jacked up the back of the trailer then, just to try and get the downslope a bit more so that we can roll on off here. Oh, we're moving. Do my brakes work? I shouldn't have checked. Maybe I just give us a little start up. Ooh. Get going. Ugh. So, sometimes working by yourself really sucks. Okay. Let's just hope we stay on the ramps then. I think we're on. Oh, that's a bad noise. We're going down, fuck it. We're off. We made it. We're safe. Let's go have a look. Holy shit. Oh, fucking hell. Let's have a look at this shit, hey? I'm gonna now try and get it going, I guess, so I can move it around. First thing I'll do is pack the trailer up. Alright, so plan of attack is take bonnet off, check the oils and the water and whatnot. Just give it a general inspection, make sure it hasn't been like eaten by rats or I don't know, something stupid, and give it a test fire. I'll put the jump leads on it and give it a test fire. So let's have a go. Let's have a look then. There's the oil pressure. She's good. How's that? Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at her. Whatever that is needs to stop. It's she's a bit battered and bruised on this door, this rear quarter and stuff. Rear end's taken a fair bit of a hit. But all in all, it's actually not too shabby. I mean, it's been sitting for a good solid, what? It'd near be 6, 7 months, 8 months. When was, last minute drove was, oh fuck. Reunited at Pheasantwood, Reunited V1. So, yeah, it's been a minute. while we're here. Got some time to give it some love. And yeah, I can hear that back tire's flat, it's dragging. I'm just going to quickly move something out of the shed. God, it looks tough. You have to watch the videos on there. That up with, there's the S13, there's its current condition. It runs, it drives, it does need a bit of love, but I mean, what do you do? It hasn't been touched since Reunited, which is ages ago now. Peace, I'm out.